In East Africa lies Kenya, a land of wildlife and hidden danger. In 1898, this land became a nightmare for humans. The British Empire was building a railway through the wild. Hundreds of workers slept in open camps. Then, men started disappearing. No bodies, no screams, just fear. They were two male lions. They hunted humans, not animals. Official records say 35 died. Local accounts say over 100. Workers abandoned the project. One man took responsibility. 4 months, the lions outsmarted him. They came only after darkness fell. Patterson decided to face them alone. The first lion fell after a deadly charge. But the second vanished. Days later, the second lion was killed. The railway was finally completed. Later studies revealed damaged teeth. Hunting animals had become painful. Hunger turned predators into killers. Today, their remains are preserved in Chicago. Humans had entered their territory. It was survival versus survival. The jungle doesn't follow human rules. Who was the invader here? This story still haunts history. When humans cross limits. When humans enter the jungle responds. This was Tsavo, where nature answered back. If real stories of nature and survival move you, like the video and subscribe for more.